Trastevere? Trastevere? I can never get it. So we are waiting in baggage claim.
Especially because we get to start this trip off by heading back to one of our favorite countries.
Italia.
I'm Sarah, and this is my husband Cody. And when we last left off, we had booked a separate ticket flight from our home on Charlotte, North Carolina to Boston, Massachusetts, where we spent a 6-hour layover yammering on about the benefits of a Priority Pass membership, and also ate one too many plates of good food in business class lounges. Drank too much water.
Need mac and cheese, but I needed
And ate a lot of mac and cheese.
First lounge experience
all of that,
was a success.
It was finally time to leave for our final destination of Rome, Italy. Finally! Woo!
Shaking.
I know, right? We're currently waiting for our bags at baggage claim, and then we're going to head into Rome. We usually kind of figure out our transportation once we get here, but since we have so many people and so many bags and a little bit of jet lag, we got a private car already situated. And by a private car, I mean it literally says minibus, probably for the amount of bags.
We're here for a long time. Okay.
After a very long travel day, even for us, we are finally headed into Rome.
And neither of us left.
Not at all. We kind of expected this because this always happens, but we find you just kind of have to push through and you'll be alright. And I'm really not feeling that bad.
No, it's not too bad.
So we'll see how the day goes. We didn't plan anything super crazy for today, just if in case we needed to take it easy, we could, but we're definitely looking forward to it.
Yeah, double espresso. But I really mean apartment. Big and spacious and pretty, and then if you just come down this long hallway, and the bathroom. Orange tile, brick. I don't know. Everything's so open in here, but this isn't even the best part. You have our terrace. It's so pretty, and I think it's gonna be so great with a bottle of wine. We
La Prosciutteria Cantina di Papi. I'm reading the sign. We got a $20 meat and cheese charcuterie board. Look at this. It's unbelievable.
Oh, this is the most aggressive cheese board
And a 15
I've ever seen.
and a €15 bottle of amazing wine.
Yes. This is the most aggressive cheese board I think we have ever had. And we're very wild connoisseurs of cheese boards. And it was all for €20. It's so good. And there's cantaloupe. This is the best day ever. I didn't think we could put a dent in that, but we have somehow demolished it. However, this was a charcuterie board for two, and we actually employed Charlie's help. My parents got one for three, which was massive. And I don't think they can finish theirs. Oh my gosh, so good. Also, cheese board for two, or charcuterie board for two, cost €20. It's €10 per.
We are at Quetzalcoatl Gelateria beside our hotel. The review said it was the best gelato, and they have really good looking chocolates too, so we'll see how it is. But
Time for our first gelato of this Italy trip. I'm so excited.
Very good.
What were you eating?
Taverna Trulisa and Trastevere, and I got the Cassio e Pepe.
I got the carbonara, Charlie got ravioli, and Mom also got carbonara, and it looks lovely. If you're counting, this is our second gelato of the day. How do we have?
Caramel.
I just told the blonde this is our second gelato of the day.
Oh man,
How does this compare to the one from earlier?
such a different flavor, but oh man,
Can you try it?
you're about to be blown away.
Oh my god.
Yeah,
Tastes like straight caramel.
I know.
Oh, that's so good. There you go.
We need to rebalance this thing.
I know. Bags, and then we're gonna head to. I just like trail off and then have to start over.